Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Environmental chemistry. Today our topic is ionic liquids. Ionic liquids are used as solvents. You know that ionic compounds are mostly solid at room temperature. Anyhow, some ionic liquids are ionic, but they are in liquid state. These are organo non-metallic compounds which have non-polar organic ligands bonded to central atom with delocalized charge. Organo non-metallic substances which have non-polar organic ligands bonded to central atom with delocalized charge. For example, this is central atom. This is non-polar ligand, and with delocalized charge means this negative charge is delocalized in this manner. This is ionic liquid. Similarly, this is pentyl group bonded to phosphorus. Hexyl group. And this is dodecyl group. And phosphorus atom has positive charge. Trihexyl, tridecyl phosphonium, Similarly, another ionic liquid which has core of pyridine and butyl pyridinium aluminum chloride. This is the ionic liquid. In the same way, tetrabutyl ammonium, sometimes in some books skeletal formulas are written. For example, its skeletal formula is this is skeletal formula of this ionic liquid. Another ionic liquid with central atom phosphorus. This is skeletal formula. All these are ionic liquids which are used as these are also called non-aqueous ionic solvents. Ionic liquids are also called non-aqueous ionic solvents. They have ligands. This is ligand, 1, 2, 3, 4 ligands bonded to phosphorus atom, and they have delocalized charge system. These ionic liquids have important uses based upon their properties. So, properties of ionic liquids. Properties. Number 1, melting point around about 100 degrees centigrade. These are less volatile. Volatile liquids produce vapor easily, which are harmful. Therefore, these are less volatile. It is their advantage. low vapor pressure, do not harm to ozone. Very important property. They are friendly to our atmosphere. They do not create ozone hole. They do not damage ozone layer. Can be purified and reused. इस्तेमाल के बाद सॉल्वेंट के तौर से आपने इस्तेमाल किया, इसमें से सॉल्यूट आपने एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लिया, या ऑर्गेनिक सिंथेसिस में आपने इसको इस्तेमाल किया, सॉल्यूट एक्सट्रैक्ट करके आप इसको दोबारा साफ करके इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। नॉन फ्लेमेबल, ये आतिशगीर नहीं होते। स्टेबल अप टू 300 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। They do not decompose on heating even up to 300 degree centigrade. This is an advantageous point. Used in microwave oven. For heating other substances. In water bath system, वाटर बाथ सिस्टम में अगर आप रखकर किसी चीज को गर्म करना चाहते हैं तो आप ये इस्तेमाल करते हैं। वजह क्या है इसकी? वजह यह है कि थोड़े से टाइम में इनका टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा राइज कर जाता है। दे आर सेंसिटिव टू टेम्परेचर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ दिस इज ionic liquid which is being used in water bath, in 15 seconds in a microwave oven, its temperature will reach to 300 degree centigrade. In just 15 seconds, its temperature reaches to 300 degree centigrade. These are the best solvents non-aqueous solvent. For example, one butyl, three methyl, imidazolium chloride, 1 butyl 3 methyl imidazolium chloride is used as solvent for cellulose. Solvent for cellulose. It can dissolve 25 gram cellulose per 100 gram. 100 gram of 1 butyl 3 methyl imidazolium chloride can dissolve 25 gram cellulose. Solute can be recovered from these solvents easily. For example, you have dissolved cellulose in 1 butyl 3 methyl imidazolium chloride, then you can recover this cellulose from this solution only by adding small amount of water. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपने इसके अंदर सेलुलोज हल कर लिया है और आप चाहते हैं कि सेलुलोज मैंने वापस लेना है, इससे दोबारा सेलुलोज हासिल करें, तो क्या करें आप इसमें जस्ट फ्यू ml अप टू 15 ml इस पे पानी डाल दें, सेलुलोज प्रेसिपिटेट आउट हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स solute can be recovered from these solvents. Therefore, for organic synthesis, these solvents are the best solvents from where we can extract solute easily. These are the properties and uses of ionic liquids. Thank you.